किरण, इफ आई गिव यू अ चांस, ठीक है, दिस इज नॉट हाइपोथेटिकली, मैं चाहता हूँ ऐसा हो, इफ आई गिव यू अ चांस कि आपको सीबीएसई का एक इंचार्ज बना दिया है जिसमें यू कैन रीडिजाइन हाउ इंग्लिश शुड बी टॉट इन द स्कूल्स, व्हाट वुड यू डू?
I'll redesign the curriculum. And I know I can do this because जैसे यहाँ पे ना नर्सरी में कराते हैं अल्फ़ाबेट्स, मैक्सिमम स्कूल्स में केजी में साउंड्स कराई, 3 लेटर वर्ड्स कराए, ग्रेड 1 में सीधा एक टेक्स्ट बुक दे दी. नाउ द पेरेंट एंड द चाइल्ड आर इन डिलेमा, हाउ विल माई चाइल्ड रीड. तो मैं वो जो जर्नी फ्रॉम नर्सरी टू ग्रेड 1 जो ट्रांजिशन होता है, मैं उसको इतना स्मूथ करना चाहती हूँ दैट देर एबल टू रीड बुक्स लाइक दिस, और इतने इंगेजिंग ऑन फन वे से, इट्स नॉट सो दैट देयर इज नो प्रेशर ऑन द चाइल्ड. Or more than children, I would like to have those workshops for parents also, so that they come and they kind of learn how to teach at home, how to recapitulate at home.
तो अभी जो हमारे स्कूल्स के अंदर रूडामेंट्री मेथड्स हैं पढ़ाने के, इट्स वॉइड नाउ.
Correct.
आई थिंक इट नीड्स यू. मुझे बुक्स, आप बीच में बोल रहे थे बुक्स से याद है, यू हैव लॉन्च सम बुक्स, व्हाट आर दोस एंड हाउ डिड दिस हैपन?
So there's a backstory regarding the books also. I just met 3 different people in 1 week.
Okay.
And everybody was telling me, why don't you come up with your own books? Why don't you start something with me? I'll help you design. So my husband's friend's wife was also suggesting the same thing. I met 3 people, and I think that's when I was like, it's God's calling now. I should work towards this project. So I've launched my decodable books. So those can be read phonetically. So I've launched like a set of 10 books. So the USP of those books is that you get a lot of activities to do with children at home. So
Okay.
it'll have board game, there'll be writing practice, there'll be, a coloring activity, you'll do word search. So every activity is different. So that's how I kind of first came up with this idea.
That's how do you take this? Because when you started with phonics, I think there was no one in the industry.
Correct.
And till the date my kid was enrolled, I didn't understand a word, or didn't even hear the word phonics. How do you take a lot of new teachers coming up or new programs being launched just like for 3 months, hum sikha denge ye sab, and it is all over the internet. When I say internet, it means Instagram.
Correct. वो ना एक आता है कि कोई भी नई चीज़ शुरू होती है ना, सारे पीछे पीछे उसको फॉलो करते हैं. सो एक्चुअली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड देयर वर वेरी फ्यू पीपल हु वर डूइंग हु वर कंडक्टिंग दीज काइंड ऑफ सेशंस. नाउ यू विल सी पीपल हु आर टेकिंग ट्यूशंस आल्सो से आई टेक फोनिक क्लासेस, आई डू मैथ्स क्लासेस. सो वो एक ट्रेंड बन गया है, सो माई वर्क एक्चुअली रन्स थ्रू वर्ड ऑफ माउथ. सो आपने कराया, आपने किसी को बोला, इट वर्क्स लाइक दैट. सो that's about it.
मेरी story थोड़ी different है.
How did you get to know about me?
Because it is so there's a friend, my friend Sanya, like we are family, more like family. She's a very good saleswoman.
अच्छा.
तो ऐसा हुआ, हम उनके घर पे थे और उनका बेटा आया और he started reading.
When he was?
I think he would be 3.5 or almost 4.
Okay.
So he started reading and reading fluently.
Okay.
ऐसे नहीं कि he was reading like proper reading. और एक छोटे बच्चे को तुम ऐसे देखते हो ना, मैंने कहा यार अगर इस एज में रीड कर रहा है ऐसे, तो he'll be a very good speaker down the line. तो मैंने कहा यार कैसे हुआ ये, तो उसने पहले डेमो दिखाया, ठीक है, एंड देन सेड कि देयर इज दिस टीचर कॉल्ड किरण हु टीचेस ऑनलाइन फोनिक्स. और तो हमने कहा यार कैसे करेंगे, जाना पड़ेगा कहीं पे? नहीं, इट्स ऑनलाइन. तो इससे डरे, हाँ दिस इज गुड, क्योंकि हमें लगा दे देंगे हमारा हो जाएगा. Then when the classes started, one person has to sit. Then my wife took the responsibility to sit. Then it became, she also started enjoying it for a reason, क्योंकि उसको भी रिवाइज हो रहा है और उसको नई चीजें सीखने को मिल रही हैं. हमने नहीं सीखी ये चीजें, तो उसको भी नई चीजें सीखने को मिली. And touch wood, my kid is 5 now. He can read books. He actually can read books. He can read text. Whatever on the screen is coming, if I'm watching a movie, any subtitle is coming, he can read that. And that's not very slow. He picks up very fast right now. Or he says certain words which मैंने शायद 10 साल की उम्र तक नहीं बोले थे बोले words. So I feel I'm thankful to you for that. That is something. How is your daughter, by the way? I mean, ऐसा होता ना कि यार टीचर की बेटी है तो करेगी. I'm sorry, Meera, I'm putting pressure on you.
No, I don't take that pressure because And so people do ask me that,
She should be the best example, na?
exactly, but ऐसा होता नहीं है ना. So, and I don't put that pressure on her also. I just want her to be happy, confident, curious, and she's a very curious kid. So as a teacher, I give my best, and as a parent, I'm trying to give my best. So I try to strike that balance. लोगों के कहने से कुछ नहीं होता. Everybody would comment at the end of the day, मीरा तो ऐसे नहीं कर सकती. मीरा तो she should be very well behaved. But she's a child at the end of the day. And in terms of reading also, मैंने कभी उसको बैठ के नहीं पढ़ाया. I've never taught her. I think since the time she was in my womb, she's been hearing sounds. So when she was 2.4, and few days back only, I was just going through my Google videos and photos, and I saw she was blending when she was 2.4. So वो सुन के she's kind of understood the whole concept, and now she's reading decodable books, and अब वो मुझे आके बोलती है, मम्मा कोई shoot करे. I'm like, okay.
Beautiful.
So, yeah.
It's beautiful.
और इसमें मैं एक और चीज़ कहना चाहूँगी. The first call when a parent will call me, मैम मैं अपने बच्चे पे प्रेशर तो नहीं डाल रहा, वो सिर्फ 3.5 का है. इसमें कोई प्रेशर नहीं होता. सो ये सिर्फ हमारी एंग्जाइटी है जो हम अपने बच्चे में पास करते हैं, और हम एंग्शियस है, हमारा बच्चा वही वाइब लेगा, वो एंग्शियस होगा. सो इट इज़, आई थिंक वंस द चाइल्ड इज़ 3, द चाइल्ड इज़ एब्सोल्युटली रेडी टू लर्न.
And I'm very glad हमने ये बातें की हैं आज, क्योंकि I had a different view to English, but you just corrected it or maybe recalibrated it कि ना, if you want to go global, English is the must. And yes, respect to other languages as well, but I mean, if you want to go global, English is the must. Is there anything you want to talk to people in the end? I just give you 1 minute, a random 1 minute you want to talk to people. Just say anything.
If it's regarding your children, I would just say, have a lot of patience and give time to your children. Because if I get a lot of calls at the age of 6 or maybe 5, मेरे बच्चे को कुछ नहीं आता. Never underestimate your child. I think we need to spend a lot of time with them, and eventually they all learn at their own pace. Please don't compare them with other children.
Alright guys, this was our little episode with Kiran Singh. The details to her Instagram handle is in the description. अगर आपको इनसे बात करनी है, please go have a word. This is No Filter with Nick. Keep subscribing, keep loving. We're gonna see you some other time. Adios, ladies and gentlemen.